So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a family member on Life360. Now in order to add a family member, you will need to open up your app from this point and scroll to the bottom of your circle member list and you can tap on add a person. So once you're here, you can see the option to add a person and then you can get a code. So through there, you can see the option, who are you inviting? Select the role that fits best for mom, dad, son, daughter, child, grandparent, partner or spouse, friend, or other. That's going to be a part of your Life360. And you can choose the role. And then if you don't want to, or if you've chosen the role, you can just click on invite code. And from that point, you can share an invite code with that person, and then they can join your circle. Just make sure to send them that code, and you can choose the family member to send that unique invite code. And for them, they need to open the app, sign up, and type in or accept the invite code within 72 hours before it expires, or it may say something different. So in this case, it said it's going to be live for 7 days. So just make sure that you go to add a person, or if you go on to circle management, you can add people to your circle. So that's also a way to add people, but family members, the easiest way would be to just go and scroll down to here to add them. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.